See if there is something to eat in here. No, there isn't. It's absolutely nothing. Hey, we got any food, man? I'm actually kind of starving. Yeah, there's some food in the freezer, man. Just make something. Yo, I'm tired. I just went to work and everything, so, you know, I don't feel like making anything, so, but, hey, you got any snacks in the meantime? Not at the moment. Oh, boy, that's me. Oh, hello. Hi, I've got a Tokyo treat package. Yeah, that's for me, isn't it? For, Exx-Kun, is that right? Yes, I am. And, it's Exx-Kun. Thank you, and have a good day. You too, no problem. See you later, Exx-Kun. Are you for real? So, are you gonna give that to me? Because he said Exx-Kun? You want the real Exx-Kun, boy? Go get your own snacks. Oh hey, it's Exx-Kun. I hope you're having an excellent day today. If you want, I hope it gets better for you, and if not, there is always tomorrow. But today, what actually made my day, which actually made my day better really, is this box that I actually received in the mail. This video isn't sponsored, by the way, just so you know. It's a company called Tokyo Treat. They hit me up and they wanted me to do a review on their Tokyo Treat box. Now, if you don't know what the Tokyo Treat box is, it's basically an awesome Japanese kind of crate. It has a lot of amazing Japanese snacks in there. So, you know, if you know all the famous like Japanese snacks like ramune and pocky and haichu and anything like that, that's what you probably get in these boxes, which is absolutely amazing. So Tokyo Treat hit me up and they said, hey, you like anime, right? And I said, yeah, I know I like anime and stuff, and I like Japanese stuff because obviously I am not a weeaboo. I am Asian, okay? I'm Asian.
Are you sure about that?
Hopefully we can enjoy some nice yummy treats because honestly, I am freaking starving. So anyway, without further ado, I kind of want to get into this and see what's actually inside because it looks really interesting. We get, oh gosh, the camera's shaking. Oh wow, that is really cute. Wow, I don't know, it's amazing. It's quite, so from the thingy, so as it says here, so it says, treat yourself, spread the love, post and tag, hashtag Tokyo Treat. That's actually really nice. But anyway, on the box, it says Hanami Picnic. Let's see what's inside of this. So is these one of those? So, hey there Tokyo Treat family. We've got an exciting mix of delicious snacks for you guys this month. They're perfect for a springtime Hanami Picnic. Hanami picnics are popular in Japan in the springtime. So I believe this is probably for June or maybe late July. So yeah, so in the book it's probably just a little bit of an introduction, I guess. Probably some cute stuff in there. Oh, the hell. So are these showcasing the snacks in... I think it's quite nice. They've actually provided a booklet for me to analyze or identify which ones they are. So this booklet that they provided, there's a lot of information regarding the sweets and candy probably. And probably there's like a few phrases or in there that just to teach you a bit, I guess. Thank you for that booklet, Tokyo Treat. Very informative. So I'm going to start with this, which is... So this is the Ramune Energy Drink Bubble Candy. It sounds like a mouthful. But classic Ramune energy drink flavor. And evaporate into little foamy bubbles in your mouth. So it's quite cute though, I like it. It's quite, you know, Japanese like products, especially sweets and like chocolate or whatever, they're always very visual and they're very like colorful and stuff. Oh, so if you have a look inside, there's like these white little thingies. It looks like it'll foam into your mouth. I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's like one of those mint thingies or something that you pop into your mouth, like Lucozade tablets or whatever. That you pop into your mouth and they're quite foamy, quite cute. It's so small. Oh, they're very thingies, very powdery too. Ah! That freaking hurt. NANI? It tastes exactly like the Lucozade energy drink tablets. Oh my god, and it is foaming in my mouth. Oh, it's quite sour. I give that a san out of a go, which is obviously 3 out of 5 in Japanese. And next in line, so it's these white, what the hell? They go everywhere. What are these massive big bags? So these are the Anpanman. Wait, Anpanman? BTS? It's a BTS song. So it's an Anpanman soft corn 4-pack. Which also reminds me, this Tokyo treat box, when I first saw it, it said that no meat included. So vegetarians are suitable for this. I can't eat anything that's not like good meat. I mean, no. That's the ramen energy drink, believe it or not. There's no point opening all the other 4, so I'm just gonna taste what these are like. It's so hard to open. So, as it inside, I don't know what it reminds me of. It reminds me of these crisps that I had in there when I was a child. They're like these, I think they're like aliens or something, or like onion ring crisps. I think they're like onion ring crisps. So let's see what these taste like. Oh, they're so soft. They're really soft. I think these are like the most softest crisps I've ever had.
Nice.
I mean, it tastes pretty normal like potato chips. I give that a Ichni-san-chi.
Just stop. Just stop it.
So next is this, which is this long looking ass thing. Nori potato snacks. This potato snack is seasoned with nori, so it has the yummy sweet, yummy salty seaweed. Let's see what this is like. Also, what the hell? There's quite a massive big thing. Not sure what that is though. Not sure what that thing is. Put my finger in it. See what it tastes like. Oh boy, that's strong. Seaweed I'm always on the freaking fence about because it's so salty, but I like that. So next one is this box looking thing with the cute little bear on it. Candy apple DIY kit. So I'm gonna actually leave this one to last because this one you have to actually do something with it. So I'm gonna leave this one to last because I like stuff that you can create and like kind of mix in. So sounds delicious, but that'll be for later. Next is obviously strawberry pocky. Pretty standard. I mean, I've had strawberry pocky before. Not the best, but it tastes good. So this is regular pocky. Oh, there's 2 packs. Sweet. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a nice little clear little packaging with it. It's quite cute. And oh, this one looks a lot more different. And the last strawberry pocky that I had, it was just plain looking. It was just pink and there was no little nice little bumpy parts. So, oh, that is strong too. This is a strong strawberry flavor. The last one I had, it wasn't that great because it was quite thin and the flavor wasn't that, you know, existing. Next is the Porishiki Yaukin Poriki German potato sticks. Oh, interesting packaging. I thought it would just come out like normal. There's a little tray inside. So it's like it's like potato stuff again. Nothing so far. Actually, wait, not the best, but it reminds me of these crisps that we have. They're like orange packet ones. They're like cheese ones. It feels like I've got more crisp stuff than regular stuff. The next one is Lipton's. So this one is tea. So Lipton is the tea bags in Japan. That's quite nice. So as a Brit, I must have my tea. I will probably do this later because I actually have to go to the kettle. So the next thing we have is this Umaibo Mentaiko flavor. Now I'm not sure what Mentaiko is. You know, I'm very hungry, so these snacks have helped. Holy moly. Oh, it's one of those crisps. It's one of those crisps thingy again. That is really strong. Now, there's a crisp in the UK called Monster Munch. Pretty much tastes exactly like that, except it's not as spicy. The flavor is strong, the crisp is quite delicious. So the next thing we have is Pringles. Now, oh, I actually really like Pringles. They would probably be my second favorite crisp. Sorry, Dorito Beats is number 1. Guessing it's maybe just regular cheese flavor, so I'm going to have a look. So it's Ultra Nacho Cheese. So ooh, it's quite nice though. I like the packaging. Very well done. Oh, it's kind of already broken, but whatever. So let's see how these taste. These are nice. Again, because they're Pringles, pretty standard, not the best. Next is the Abeko Ramune Cook candies. So these are Ramune candies. I'm guessing this is probably going to be a lemon or maybe like a lime flavor. So, oh, they're quite powdery. They look very, very tiny. They're melony, and it's dissolved into my mouth very quickly. They're very sweet. I actually really like that. Aww. When you eat them, they break easily, but they dissolve incredibly fast. It's like I had a bit of a mini drink in there. So the next thing on the list is Yaokin Kinako cake. Kinako cakes are to die for. They have a chewy mochi texture. Japanese, you have some very strange flavors. Soybean. I don't think I've ever had anything soybeany. Oh wait, they're quite pudgy. I don't think that's a word, but that's a word I know. Very sponge looking. But yeah, they're quite spongy. So. This is by far the most weirdest thing I have ever ate. Seriously, it tasted just so strange. It's so soft though. I thought I wouldn't like it, but I don't particularly love it. That's an odd one. And the next one on the list is this massive bag. Furuta Sakura Mochi Cookies. They're delicious pink cookies and they're inspired by traditional Japanese Sakura Mochi dessert. It looks nice. I like the packaging. It's pink. So hopefully let's have a look and see what they are like. Open the freaking thing. So, see what these are like. Oh, it's quite a cute little thingy. It's called Furuta. Okay, I don't know if I'm saying these words right, but hopefully they taste quite nice. So, oh, they are cookies. So they're not like these other biscuity ones. Oh, it's falling a bit. They're falling apart. Oh, it's quite soft. I like that. Me likey so far. It's still quite soft. So, the biscuits. I love biscuits. I have them. I have tea all the time. So you know, biscuits are a must. Again, like the one before, flavor's a bit odd. Biscuit texture is quite nice. I think it's just the flavor inside is a bit strange. Can't quite pinpoint. It feels like I'm eating a leaf. I guess that's what they were going for. So our second to last item on the list is these, looks like crisps again. Kalbi Sakura shrimp chips. So of course I gather from the whole thing of this whole box, it's mainly Hanami, which is picnic. So everything's obviously pink flavored, you know, strawberry, like you saw with the tea. Pink. So let's see what these taste like. So there's shrimp. So I like shrimp. It's not bad. So it's again just crisps. Why do these taste like my cat's breath? It's alright. I mean, I could eat it while watching a movie or whatever, but it doesn't have a very distinctive taste. On the list is these cute looking things. It looks like dongos or something, but it's little cats. These are the Sumiko Gurashi card and seal gum. But yeah, I chew gum just so it helps calm the nerves away. Which one's the gum? The paper or the stickers? So this is the gum. So it's just a plain square. I normally see gum in 2 strips. See what these are like. You know what? These are actually really good. It is nice. Too bad I ate it all. It's got a very strawberry kind of maybe feel. I'm not entirely sure. I do believe we did have the one thing left, which is the DIY thing, which is the apple. So it's this. So hopefully we can see, because we've got a bit of space, I'll make it in here. Cooking 101 with Exx-Kun. So these are what they look like. It's quite cute. So I think I have to make this somehow. So there's an instructional thing which tells you how to make it. Take the sprinkle packet and put it into one empty slot on the plastic tray. Well, just dump it in there then. Next it says, take the candy sauce packet and put that into the other empty slot on the plastic tray. So I'm guessing it's this. Oh, it's quite jammy looking. Oh, get in there. Oh, it's so thingy. It's gone all over my hands. Alright, so I found my little toothpick that I use. So stick the toothpick into one apple soft candy and dip it into the candy sauce. Okay, so just like this. So this is the candy sauce, I guess. Dip the apple soft candy into the sprinkles. Okay. So it looks like that. So hopefully it tastes nice. And that is nice. It is really good. I knew I saved the best for last. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. Well, I guess that concludes everything. I mean, that's everything out of the box besides the tea, which of course I have to try later. I'm very thankful for the service. It is absolutely amazing. However, I do have to put my opinion on this. It's not bad. It could have been maybe a few more sweets, maybe 2 or 3 more chocolates. The Pocky was the only thing that was chocolate related. Everything else was mostly crisps and a few sweets. I guess maybe that might be the theme of picnic, crisps and stuff. It's okay. It's not a bad box. Probably could have been better, but I'm thankful for the service. Thank you ever so much, Tokyo Treat. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of this Tokyo Treat. If you do, probably buy the Tokyo Treat box through my link in the description. I will give you some money for it, so it'll help you with your purchase. I'll let you get on with the rest of your day, and I want to say thank you ever so much for watching me. If you did enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps me out ever so much, and it does make me smile. It really does, honestly, because your support means the world to me. But I hope you enjoy your rest of your day. I'll let you get back to whatever you're doing, and I'll see you later in the next video. Sayonara.